This week with the official GoSun Solar Chef, we are making a British classic, one of my favourites as a kid my mum used to make. They weren't as fancy as mine, don't tell her. So to create the filling for these sausage rolls, you're going to chop up and combine these first 5 ingredients and roll them into your puff pastry. Then you can cut it into separate pieces, pinch and seal the edges and place them into small silicone trays if you have them, otherwise just right into the tube. Create an egg wash and lightly brush the top of the sausage rolls before putting them into the solar oven. Alright, here's the GoSun Sport. Let's pop these sausage rolls into their little individual pockets. See you in about 20 minutes. Gonna check on our sausage rolls in the GoSun Sport. Oh my goodness, you can see the steam pouring out of this thing after. Oh, sizzle. Not quite done yet. We'll give them another 10 maybe. It's a nice and gentle, easy way of environmentally friendly solar cooking. And it's fun. Alright, one more look. Sausage rolls are best served with spicy mustard, ketchup, Dijon. Look at the steam. Let's check these beauties. Oh my goodness. Look at the brown baked goodness of those. These are ready. I just need to go, as usual, find a victim. We found a victim. Sausage rolls. Their favorite.
Oh my gosh.
Thanks for watching. Let us know if you try out this recipe in the comments below or tag us at GoSun on Instagram or Facebook. And don't forget to check back next week for an all-new solar recipe cooked by Davey, the official GoSun Solar Chef.